Hi there, welcome to our video about writing your introduction to your semiotic analysis. Usually introductions do four main things. They will introduce a bit about the topic and then indicate why that topic is interesting. What's the problem or the issue that they're going to investigate? Thirdly, they will introduce their main answer to the question. In other words, their thesis statement or their argument. And finally, they will usually signpost what the structure of the essay is. So they will introduce the ideas in order of which they're addressed in the essay. So for your semiotic analysis, think about, first of all, introducing some context about the ad. Then focus on the issue. Why did you pick it, for instance? Why is it meaningful? What is the ad's overall meaning? And then provide your answer to the question, your thesis statement. So how do all the semiotic elements create the ad's meaning? And then potentially you can give a brief outline of how you might answer the question. What ideas will you investigate in which order? Let's take a sample introduction. So this one is for a particular type of Pepsi. So first of all, the student introduces the ad. So giving a little bit of context about it being an advertisement for Pepsi's new skinny can. And notice too that in the middle of the paragraph, they also give a bit of context to help the reader understand why this ad is interesting, why Sofia Vergara is focused in the ad. Then in the second sentence, they're highlighting the controversial element of the ad. So it's an example of empowertizing, for instance, by featuring a woman who was over 40. So they indicate why it's a particularly controversial ad. Then they give their main answer to the question. So they're arguing that it's ultimately using celebrity endorsement to send a sexist message that skinny is the healthy and ideal body type for a woman. Notice too that the reasons for their answer are sprinkled through the rest of the introduction. And those reasons follow the same order that they're going to be addressed in the essay. The signposting indicates that very clearly. So notice here how they use words like first, secondly, thirdly, finally. That indicates that they are following those ideas in that order. Now you might notice that this signposting is a little bit long. It takes a few sentences. So you could, for instance, do briefer signposting where you indicate that you first of all do a denotative reading, then this student focuses on the colour, signifiers, and so on. So you can do signposting more briefly if you need. Considering that this is a relatively short essay, you might aim for your introduction to be between 100 to 200 words. So keep it concise. In the following video, we're going to be talking about writing your paragraphs.